Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Library. In today's video, we're tackling a common issue. Add friend not showing up on Facebook. Let's get right into it. First up, if you're trying to add a public figure, like Mark Zuckerberg, you might notice the add friend option is missing. That's because public figures often restrict friend requests, allowing only follows. You can still follow them for updates. Another reason could be privacy settings. If the person has blocked you, or if you've had a friend request declined, you might not see the add friend option. To check your own settings, go to Settings, Audience and Visibility, and review Blocking and Who can send you friend requests. Lastly, if their privacy setting is set to Friends of Friends, and you don't share any mutual friends, you won't see the Add Friend button. In this case, try connecting through a mutual friend or reaching out to them directly. Unfortunately, if their settings are restrictive, there's not much you can do beyond this. If you know them personally, a direct message or face-to-face chat might be your best bet. I hope this helps. If you have any questions or need more tech tips, drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Library. Thanks for watching.